So goodbye Betzila waterfalls. So now I'm heading to the foot of the gates of the Nagarjunsagar dam. So to go to the place you have to take a left from the checkpost so that you can go closer to the dam gates and see the wide and the magnificent gates. So let's check that out. And there is the dam. Ramana. Load Tandra. Check post Partadi. Ramana. Load Tandra. Check post Partadi. Ramana. Load Tandra. Check post partadi. So we are going over there. It was there on top of that bridge and the view was like that. Now I am on the other side. Betzila waterfalls is that side, and if you have to go back to Hyderabad you have to take that route. And now I'm going to that place, so somewhere close to that gate. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడికి నడుచుకొని వెళ్ళాలా? అక్కడికి నడుచుకొని వెళ్ళాలా? బండి ఎక్కడికి పోతుందా? అక్కడికి పోతుందా? అవునా? అక్కడికి పోలేమా? బండి పోదాం. ఇక్కడ ఈ రూట్ ఎక్కడ పోతుంది? చర్చ్ దగ్గరనా? ఓకే ఓకే. అది టాప్ బాక్స్. ఇది మన చిన్న పడవ ఉంటుంది చూడు, దాంట్లో బోటింగ్ లేదా? ఆపేసినారా? అటుపక్క ఏమైనా ఉందా ఇంకా? ఏమి? అవునా? ఎంత దూరమో? So that's the dam. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. I don't know. I think 25 to 26 gates. So this was overflowing and now it is not. Great. So this is the side channel. So if the gates are not open, they can still redirect the water from here to the side channels. ఇది ఎక్కడికి పోతుందో? కాలువకు. So this is the other side of Nagarjunsagar. So basically the gates are over there. So this is this side. And yeah. So the water has slightly reduced but not much. So this used to be a walkway, but I guess because of the water it is completely submerged. So what's up YouTube? I am heading to a place called Anupu. So this is again towards the other side of Nagarjunsagar. Basically this all comes under Andhra, and that side is all Telangana. So this is a nice place to come, where there is a park and also there is a way where you can go closer to the water. So this is called as Anupu. It's good. So at Anupu there is this place. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like some kind of a monument type of thing, which has a portion of the dam wall. So this is the view of Anupu. So what exactly is this? I believe it should be like a monument. Protected monument. This monument has been declared to be national importance under the Ancient Monument Archaeological Site and remains Act of 1958. Whoever destroys the monument shall be punishable. Okay, but what it is? Okay, I think so. Amphitheater. The transplanted imposing structure contains multi-tried gallery and all the four sides and can accommodate about 1,000 spectators. Is unique example of the architecture in ancient India and probably inspired by Roman tradition. Unlike the common Roman prototype, it enclosed a rectangular area instead of an oval. The brick-built structure, entirely cased with stone slabs, had at least 16 layers. Okay, the place could have been used for sports and wrestling, as attested by several sculpture representation of wrestling scenes from Nagarjunsagar. Very nice. So at the amphitheater, of Anupu, amphitheater of Anupu. This is how it is. Great. Nice. A good view, but nice. So this is the entire Nagarjunsagar trip ride. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.